Yellow. First we have to recognize the greatness we are witnessing. Here we have Saenchai, a Muay Thai legend renowned as one of the greatest, teaching a simple 1-2. He first wants you to go slow, mastering the simple fundamentals regardless of the direction. And then, once you build a controlled and balanced foundation, to speed it up, add footwork. He maintains balance and poise. It's not emphasizing power, it's simple and clean. Perhaps this is unexpected of Saenchai. After all, his style is so beautiful and flashy. But the reality is, his level of mastery was achieved building many fundamentals, to which he then plays them like strums of a guitar. It's like a chef mastering a simple cut of the knife, but as he does, he improves the precision, the speed, the versatility of that simple fundamental, and from there, it's layers and layers of fundamentals stacking upon each other to create his beautiful elusive style. Beyond martial arts, this is what life is. You get good at the simple things, and then, when your diligence and discipline comes together, like beautiful music, the world from there assumes that there's some kind of magic to the composition. But this is the reality, beyond the arena. This is life. The master simply has more well-polished fundamentals, more patience and discipline regardless of arena. It's focus. It's attention to the details, many details, over and over again, with room to learn more as proficiency increases. They're layers stacking upon each other as time goes on. This is it. This is it. Saenchai just showed us the working firmament holding up his starry shine. It's humbling because we have to remember that this man here is a legend, regarded, recognized as one of the greatest of all time. Life is within your control. It's right in front of you. The things you can work on, the places where you may start. It's always been so obvious and transparent that it's humbling when you fully understand. Just watch the man. There was no shortcut. Attention and focus, refining the basics with room to learn more as you go along. That's it. It's humbling. It's beautiful. Through the Muay Thai giant slayer, we find that God made a world that we could all hold. Thank you, Saenchai, for this beautiful lesson. Thank you to all of you. I love you all. And until next time, peace.